Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send funds from PayPal to Bitcoin. This process involves a few clear steps, ensuring a smooth transition of your money. First, you will select a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that accepts various deposit options. Then, fund your account, typically using a linked bank account or debit card. Once funded, you can purchase Bitcoin and transfer it to your preferred digital wallet. It is simpler than it sounds, and we will guide you through each part. Choosing the right cryptocurrency exchange is your foundational step in this process. Prioritize platforms with excellent security features, reasonable transaction fees, and a history of positive user experiences. It is essential that your chosen exchange supports convenient deposit methods, such as bank transfers or debit card linkages, to move funds from your PayPal-linked accounts. Always verify the exchange's regulatory compliance and responsive customer support, ensuring peace of mind throughout your transactions. Once you have chosen your exchange, the next step is to fund your account, preparing it for your Bitcoin purchase. Since direct transfers from PayPal to cryptocurrency exchanges are not commonly supported, you will typically utilize a bank account or debit card linked to your PayPal. Follow your chosen platform's instructions to initiate a transfer. Be mindful of any minimum deposit requirements, which often range from $20 to $100, varying by your chosen exchange. With your exchange account now funded, you are prepared to make your Bitcoin purchase. Head over to the trading section of your platform and locate Bitcoin, typically identified as BTC. You can place a market order for an instant purchase at the current price, or a limit order to buy at a specific future price. Always carefully review all transaction details, including any associated fees and the exact quantity of Bitcoin you will receive, before confirming your acquisition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.